So what is the one thing that you've stopped doing that you know you need to start doing? A lot of times, particularly around financial goals, we spend all of our energy thinking and working towards making more. And you also have to look at what you got to stop doing. So where are you spending money? Where are you being stupid with money? Where are you, I'm speaking to myself specifically, where are you doing things that are not aligned with that goal? So it's both what do I need to start and what do I need to stop? So I'd also look at what you need to stop doing. The other piece of this is that one of the coolest things that you can do if you're trying to just create a little bit of momentum is always go back to your morning routine. I cannot tell you how important, how just of a cornerstone foundational habit this is. If you ever feel like you're losing momentum, if you ever feel like you're off track, if you ever feel lost or overwhelmed, go back to your morning routine. I believe that how you start your day dictates how the day goes. And the morning is the only time of the day, the only time that I can guarantee that you can have a little bit of control. I cannot guarantee that people aren't going to call you or it's not going to break or there isn't an emergency at work or someone's not going to get sick. But I can guarantee you, if you set that alarm early enough and if you wake up when that alarm rings, and if you have a morning routine that works for you, that is where you can find 15 minutes a day, because you can bake it into that schedule, to be able to inch forward every day. And look, the email that you're talking about needing to write, you might write that one morning, but not send it. That's okay. The next morning, in those 15 minutes, you might figure out all the people that you're going to send it to. Fine. The next morning, you're going to hit send and then yourself, because you get it. So that is foundationally for me. If I get overwhelmed, if I get out of whack, which I do all the time, I go back to the morning routine, and what I see is that's the piece that dropped out. And, I also cannot emphasize enough how important sleep is. Seriously, you want to make a lot of money? You want to be financially free? You want to be more present? Seriously, look at how much sleep you're getting. The more successful I become, the more boring I am in life, because I prioritize being rested when I wake up, and I prioritize the morning because my days are so chaotic. And when I lose those foundational things, the wheels come off. Is that helpful? Okay, excellent.